Have you sensed God's calling nudging you towards ministry? Or maybe you have some wise counselors in your life who have been encouraging your calling. Maybe you've sensed that you've got these spiritual gifts and they're pointing in this direction. You want to pursue vocational ministry. But where do you go to get the training that you need? You might consider the Christian ministry program at Briercrest. You see, you're not alone in this journey. Over the years, many of our graduates came here for training and are now serving in churches all across Canada. Our BA in Christian ministry continues to shape disciples who will lead the church of today and of tomorrow. We focus on spiritual formation, on biblical literacy, on mission, and practical ministry. You'll also get a lot of hands-on experience as you work alongside competent mentors.
I think the biggest way the Christian ministry program has shaped me for ministry is through the practical internships and the practical applications of the program.
Whether it was leading in chapel or at Youthquake or getting the opportunity to preach in the high school, I always had real spaces and people to consider when I thought about the content of our classes.
You get to do at least one internship, and you get to also take your learnings and apply them to church ministry settings or even camp ministry like this one. It gives you a holistic perspective of what ministry should look like. You get to wrestle with what you learn in class, and you get to test out these ideas and these thoughts in these real life ministry settings. And that's been amazing. And it's prepared me for ministry a lot more than I think a lot of other programs could have.
So in our program, you will learn to lead, to teach, and communicate the gospel in one of 4 concentrations: in youth, in children's, in worship, and pastoral. But more than that, you will experience the life-transforming power of a relationship with Christ. You see, Briercrest is a greenhouse. It's a place where you can grow to know Christ and to become like Christ. Ministry is the natural overflow of your life in Christ. So consider Briercrest as the place for you to pursue your calling in ministry.